Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Pathfinder battery. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and wear safety gloves. Disconnect negative then positive terminal using a 10 mm wrench, lift out the old battery carefully, and clean the tray and terminals. Install the new battery, secure the hole down, reconnect positive then negative, and test with the key. I'll guide you step by step and offer quick tips to avoid common mistakes. Gather the tools and safety gear before starting so the job goes smoothly and quickly. You need a 10 mm wrench, battery terminal puller or pliers, baking soda, a wire brush, and safety gloves. Also have a memory saver or note radio presets, and keep the replacement battery rated for your model. I'll show how to test the battery, clean corrosion safely, and prepare everything for a fast swap and tips. Start by turning off the engine and removing the key to prevent shorts. Loosen the negative terminal first, then the positive, and remove hold-down clamps with a socket. Lift the battery straight up using both hands, avoiding contact with terminals. Clean the tray with baking soda and water, brush terminals, and let dry. Place the new battery in orientation matching the old one, secure clamps, and reconnect positive, then negative before testing
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.